Hello guys, let us answer question 3.2. Now this question is based on meiosis. 3.2 says the diagram below represent an animal cell in a phase of meiosis. So when we look at this cell, we can see that we are given 4 chromosomes inside the nucleus. The first thing that we are going to do is to label part A and part B. Now when we look at part A, we can see that this structure is the centromere. And then part B, this is our spindle fiber. So question 3.2.1 says, give the functions of the parts labeled A. Now, we've already mentioned that part A is the centromere. Now, the function of the centromere is to hold the sister chromatids together. And then number B, the function of the spindle fiber is to hold the chromosomes in position. Now a spindle fiber is attached to the centromere, holding the chromosomes in position. Now the answer for number B is that the spindle fiber is there to hold the chromosomes in position. Now question 3.2.2 says, which phase of meiosis is represented in the diagram? The phase represented in this diagram is metaphase 1 of meiosis 1. Why do we say so? It's because we see that our homologous chromosomes are lying in the equator of the cell or in the middle of the cell. Now question 3.2.3 says, name the phase that follows the one mentioned in question 3.2.2 above. Now, the phase that is going to follow metaphase 1 of meiosis 1 is anaphase 1. Do not forget to mention that it is anaphase 1 so that you are going to get the mark. Now, question 3.2.4 says, name the process that accounts for the genetic variation represented in the diagram. Now, the process that accounts in genetic variation is crossing over. Remember that during crossing over, homologous chromosomes exchange genetic material, which will result in genetic variation within the individuals of the same species. And then 3.2.5 says, provide the number of A chromosomes that are present in the cell above. So when we look at this cell, when we count the number of chromosomes, we can see that we have 4 chromosomes. So the answer for A is 4 chromosomes. And then number B, provide the number of chromosomes that will be present in each cell at the end of meiosis. So the number of chromosomes at the end of meiosis, we are going to have half number of chromosomes, which will be 2 chromosomes in each cell at the end of meiosis. Now number C says, provide the number of daughter cells which will be present at the end of meiosis. Now, at the end of meiosis, we are going to have 4 new daughter cells. Now, these 4 new daughter cells, they are going to have half number of chromosomes, and they are genetically different from one another. And they are also different from their parent cells. Now, the last question says, name the process that makes the chromosomes to be double-stranded. Now, the process which makes the chromosomes to be double-stranded is known as DNA replication. So, when the DNA makes an exact copy of itself, it means that also our chromosomes, they are going to make an identical copy of themselves. Thank you so much. Do not forget to like, share, comment, and also subscribe.